Hello, everybody. Welcome to Sokora tutorials. And in today's video, I will show you how we can plot pie chart. First of all, I will show you how we can create our own data here, and then how we can proceed with plotting pie chart using R. So as usual, we have to clear our environment. If there is anything working behind, we have to clear it by using remove list ls. Like this command removes everything in our environment. And then in today's video, I will use a population estimate for 2016 for the major Ethiopian cities. So I put like the number of population here, uh, the first city, second city, like the cities are respectively plotted here. And the name of city for the first is Addis Ababa here, second Dredawa is here, the third is Mekelle, and so on and so forth. Then after creating these two variables, I run it into the environment. I do have 10 population numbers here with 10 cities for respective city. Then I merge this like top 10 cities data frame, and I use data frame command, and I put city together with population. Then I need to read into the command, and then I will have here the object uh, 10 top, top 10 object, city with population. Then if I would like to see what is inside, I can see here down in the console, like the 10 cities, which city has how many population, and so on and so forth. Then after doing this, I simply use like pi, which is a function in R, and I give the what I need to use first thing. Simply, if I run this command, the pie chart will appear here. So this pie chart shows only like from 1 to 10, and not the name of cities, because I didn't give like label here. It shows only by number the proportion of the population with one another actually. So this bigger a portion is Addis Ababa, which is like more than 3 million population at 2016 estimate, and the other cities has like somehow a less proportion, like 6%, 5%, and so on and so forth. So then if I would like to add label of cities, which city is like to identify which city is the which one normally, like I add pie chart label, so I can simply nicely see that which one is Addis Ababa, and so on and so forth. And then the better thing is like it does not give us cities in the order of their population number. So I need to order, for example, in terms of population, for example, I need top 10, my data here. Then after, I need to order this top 10 based on the number of population. So this is another object that I want to appear here. So it puts everything in the order of the population here. Then I can call on the pie chart, 10 top, now the recent data, which is 10 top in descending order, and I'm using population, and label is city in this case, and the main is like the title that going to appear for the whole chart is the main here. So I'm going to give like the most populous Ethiopian cities in 2016, and I run this command, and I see like here is the title and cities in the order of their proportion. Addis Ababa, then Dredawa, Mekelle, Adama, and so on and so forth. Then if I would like to calculate their proportion or like percentage share from one another, I need to multiply this like population in descending order over the sum of this total population times 100, which is simply how simply we can run the proportion or percentage. So this is simply percentage. So I had a percentage here. Then from percentage, I can use actually percentage in somewhere, and then I can draw like the percentage share. So I can call pi, and I can put the percentage of each a population contribution for the pie chart. For example, like Addis Ababa contributes like 58 percent, and Redawa 6, Mekelle 6, and so on. So this is how nicely we can visualize our data using pie chart. Also, we can visualize this using ggplot, for example, using the same data. For example, top 10, we can use a ggplot. We have been using pi function here, but we can do the same thing using ggplot and giving only like code polar y in the in the I mean the in the bracket here. So and my data is top 10. Then my x is here is nothing here because the cities are only called like the labels which I use here. I'm filling with cities, therefore I'm not using here anything. And then on y-axis, I'm using population. Then I'm giving code polar y, and I'm using geom bar. So using this, if I run this one, I can have like the proportion of each actually city with different color. Of course, you can use like any color, and you can change color if this color is not nice and well attractive. You can use any color. It's up to our creativity to change colors in this case. So on the other case, also we can add title, and we can add like maybe avoid this background using a theme void. So I can run this, and I will have like more clear and nice with title, and with every city with different color. But I can see maybe some colors are not easy to distinguish. For example, Jima and Mekele seems more or less like similar color. Still, we need to work on further regarding the colors. So the other way is like now also like order is not ordered in this case, like the name of cities is ordered by the alphabet, not by the, not by the number of population. So I need to order by the number of population. So I use reorder here. city with the number of population here. So other things remain constant. I only change here field reorder. So if I feel here reorder, it automatically will bring the highest proportion population to the top. For example, Addis Ababa going to come here, which has like highest proportion, and Dredawa and Mekele and so on and so forth. So this is how we can nicely visualize our particularly like the proportions and counts of a variable for certain I mean observation can be displayed like this. So I think it helps you like to know this, and I thank you for watching this video. And uh, if you have any comment and question, you should not hesitate to drop it down. And please also subscribe my channel, share and like my channel, and to get more videos, please make your bell icon on. So thank you very much for watching.